Alrighty. So I said we'd have it by today. We do. I think we're good to go, or green, as all the LLMs would like to tell me. Hopefully this doesn't reset because I have it doing something in the background right now. So we'll see. It is running in Aries. So we're running in an emulator. This is an N64 ROM. I'm going to go ahead and launch this right now. So we have a title screen, which we didn't have before. It's kind of tough to play because I don't have an N64 controller, but I did order one. So my Nintendo Switch Bluetooth N64 controller should be here hopefully by the weekend. Our title screen has 3 options. Go to our model viewer. It lets us just kind of view all of our models in the game. Ooh, we got to fix that. Let's see. Where's back? There we go. We have an option screen. Sound on, invert Y. We want that. Frame cap 30. We'll go back. Didn't wonder I saw earlier, like, I don't know if it's going to actually have any sound. Haven't heard any sound yet. And we'll go ahead and start the game. So we have save states. We didn't have these before. We'll go ahead and we will delete this. And that is interesting. Maybe I didn't do it right. Erase a button. Set any button. Clearly, we have things to do. Anyways, let's see. Didn't erase it. Look at that. Any button. We'll start it up. Anyways, as you can see, we have this cool startup sequence now. I want to start it up from the beginning for you. So let's just, I will make a note that that's not working. Oops. Oh, well, I guess, okay, here we go. They were starting out at the beginning. Okay. So as you can see, we've got our HUD the same way as we did before. We have all the same tutorials that we had before. We're running right at 30 frames a second. Ooh, look at that. What is going on? Let's make sure our inverted is working. There we go. Invert's correct now. Highlight those. I'll walk over. So I'm doing this on the keyboard, which is kind of a bummer. Not gonna lie. I don't have the key mappings the best. Cool. Okay, so what we can do here is we'll pause this just to show, just in case. So here's our config. I don't think there's any, but we can see our input. So this is running in Aries. We are running a Nintendo 64 emulator, and yeah, just want to make sure we show that this is legit. Like Claude has moved this over. We had our HTML version, and now we have our N64 version. And it's interesting because I guess there's like, Claude was telling me that there is an easy way to there's an easy way to convert the 3JS models over to an N64 formatted thing, which is cool. So maybe the tutorial's not to this. We'll do it. The key mapping is terrible. Oh, time's up. Reset. Um, go through a couple of these. I don't want to. Sure, y'all don't want to sit there and watch me not do anything. If anybody watches this, anyways, I just keep saying it over and over again. We've got our game run on the N64. Claude has done everything through the power of subagents. This is like heavily agentic at this point. All right, we got that cleared. I mean, I think I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to test this. I'm going to get that. I'm going to get that summer cart and give this a test. Oops. There we go. Oh, there's one more. Just gonna have to go out and get it. Got it. Can switch over to there's our map. Can't wait to have a controller. Looking forward to it. Oh my God, I hope this works well on the controller. I don't want to. I've had this cool idea and it just sucked because the controllers are bad. Try to keep all that stuff mindful. I just think about reading old video game magazines or watching new YouTube videos or Angry Video Nerd or somebody else is talking about how trash something is from the olden days. Don't want that. But I hope they'll play my game at some point. I'm excited about this. This is so cool. I couldn't do this by myself. So I'm very excited that I'm able to build an N64 game by myself, you know, with Claude, doing the development, my little army of agents. Oh, this will be better when I have an analog. Like, it's all, the analog's mapped to the arrow keys. It is just not good. It's too sensitive right now. No, come on. Oh my God, it's going to time out again. There's no way I'm going to get these other targets. Close. All right, we got our grenade launcher. I can skip through these more, but I do love the grenade launcher. Still working pretty good. I think you can see it pretty well. I like how the LLMs are always like, no hand waving. It's like a favorite thing for them to say. I'm not going to just do some hand waving. I'll go and make sure I know what it is. I feel like the secret to good LLM work is I always have it pretty much take notes, and there's just a log of everything we do. So I've got just lots of markdown files that it ends up creating. Um, And I think that helps. We also have directories. I've got directories with references for images, everything that it won't keep between conversations, pretty much stored in a directory. And then that way it can go back and look at it and hopefully reuse it pretty quickly. I don't know if, let's go over here and try and get this quickly. Sorry. I need to fix that. Doesn't look like fire. Let me see if cloak simulation, class strider. Okay, we'll just go to the enemy and then we'll end it. You can see how nice the enemies are. They got their light. Need to work on the, looks like their shot is a little off, but they're walking pretty good. I keep forgetting I can't use the arrow keys. Your goose is cooked, buddy. Railgun coming at you. Okay, and then our hornets. There we go. I got this. Are we at the EMP? We don't have the brown. As you can see, they're not turning brown anymore. Gotta change that. Okay, bro. Boom. Boom. Yeah. I don't think the EMP is working. I don't even remember what key it is. I don't know what key it could be. Check out the damage. Oh, look. See, they're working on it. It's doing stuff in the background. Now we have power-ups just magically appearing. Okay, we got our shields back. Look at that. It's interesting how it can write to the ROM. It's interesting. Anyways, just want to share. Boom. Claude code, Opus 5 max coding. We have an N64 game, and it's pretty good.